Can you believe it only takes 3 minutes to turn your logo or product into a cool showcase video like this? Let me show you how. First, upload your logo or product image to ChatGPT and type in the style you want. For this one, I want it with a 3D glassy look. I will show you more style ideas later, and if prompts feel like too much work, I have got easier tricks too. At first, the image didn't look the way I want, so I just type glassy, and now it looks perfect. After that, I want to make a poster. I found a nice background image and told ChatGPT to place my logo on the stage area. It comes out so good. Then I adjust the aspect ratio to fit better. I use Google Veo to turn into a video. You can try it for free right now. Pick a video gem, upload the image, type animate an image, set the aspect ratio, video length, and the number of result on the left. Click run, waiting a little bit. 2 videos are generated. And they both look great. I also tried the 6:9 format, and it automatically focused on the main subject. That's super cool. I even played around with a few different styles, and there's a tip. If you don't feel like typing prompts, just upload a reference image, and ChatGPT can match the style for your logo. You can also remove the background and save your image as a transparent PNG for later use. Just 2 AI tools, that's all you need to making an also brand video. Got the idea or question? Leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.